Can I make an entire game only using this? My goal is to see if it's truly possible to make a game with absolutely zero coding experience and no prior knowledge. Armed with nothing but Roblox and ChatGPT as my ultimate guide, here's what I managed to achieve. Let's get right into it. So the goal of this game is to make some kind of quiz to help children learn Spanish, and it's a school project. The first idea was to build some kind of stairs that go upward like to reach heaven, and then you have some quizzes you have to pass to continue your ascent. And there's lava going up, so you have to make it. Now I changed last minute, and now instead of going upward you go downward and you answer some question, and you have a huge dumpster with spikes rushing toward you. So basically the thing is that you have two doors with each an answer, and if you try to get onto the other one, anyways, so I made this cathedral for the lobby platform and added some clowns. I created a crew room using a tutorial and it didn't work, so I asked my friend ChatGPT for help. And no, I don't want you to help me, I want you to do it for me. So with that done, you can now teleport players to the main game, which still took me 3 hours. I watched this guy, this is what it looks like, and after I finish, we can now go with the second night. For about literally 7 hours of goddamn ChatGPT, because every time there will be a very small, puny little error to fix, he will completely forget about everything else he was supposed to do, making it like talking to a goddamn goldfish. Now the dumpster with Spike is moving and the death handling script is working as expected, looking like this. This time I almost went into meltdown breakdown, sending in me to crazy people. I was irritated, angry, dreaming about ChatGPT being stupid, having to repeat and again while he's telling you to subscribe, because I actually spent a lot of time onto this video, and fuck ChatGPT. And let us get back to the video. Okay, so nothing is working after 5 hours of complete work, and I completely changed gameplay, and instead of the old idea, now it's much simpler. So I watched this kid video and it is very much easier to code than mine, so I said, your idea, my idea, let's shove it into ChatGPT apps and let's see the results.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, and here's the game now. So to make things simple, you just type in the chat the translation of the word displayed onto the door. If your answer is correct, then the door will become uncollidable and invisible for all players, allowing you to pass through. Okay, that's great and all, lasagna, but how does it work? Okay kids, so the game works by randomly choosing a Spanish word from a list and that I created, and assigns it to a door to display it. But it's not only the Spanish word that gets assigned to the door, but the answer is linked as well. And to keep things even more stressful and intense, I also added that so as the huge dumpster approaches, a sound is playing, getting louder as it kills you. You have to think fast and translate fast, or bye back to the lobby. Okay, so the code also works for assigning an unique Spanish word and a unique answer per door, and it makes it so it's never in the same order, so you never know what to expect each game. The game also is rage bait, so people want to finish the game, but they can't because they're too stupid, because they have to learn the language, they have to learn something. So then they pop like a balloon, because they rage. Is this where the video ends, lasagna? Nah, I still have a little problem. And the problem is that it takes forever to start a new game. So I decided not to do anything about it. Please subscribe, please.